2 days ago, I introduced to you a black man who uses a tool to create digital virtual anchors. Today I will introduce another tool to you. Fifth, you can still create a virtual anchor even if you don't accept this. He can also create a real customer service person to demonstrate first. This is an automatically generated commentary based on a given topic. The video anchor subtitles and background commentary are automatically generated by the system. You can change the video template. Feel free to change the anchor to add text content. You can also add video material. Automatically generate subtitles. You can also add audio. Video graphics can be added. You can also animate. Let me show you how to operate it in detail. First, we open its official website. First, click here to log in. In case there is no problem in saving later during the production process, click to log in first. If you have a Google account, you can log in directly. If you haven't, you can register one with your email address. Click here to register. Then enter your username. Enter your email password. Then click Create Account. After we register and log in, click this to start creating with ChatGPT. Then click on it. Then enter a theme content of the video you want to make in this place. Or you come up with a draft. How can we improve the efficiency of learning? Ask him to make a video for us, or choose a template below. I can choose which one I like, what kind of style I like. Let's just choose one here and click Create. After you click, the video copy content is generated by ChatGPT. After it is created, you will reach this preview interface. Here you can edit this draft. The content of this copywriting has been generated for you. You can be dissatisfied with something, or there is something you want to add. You can modify it directly here. This is where you add or replace templates. There are many templates here. What kind of content do you like? You can add it directly. Click directly. It will add to this. This is the anchor model. What kind of anchor do you like? You can change it to a different person. The same video can have multiple anchors explaining it. This kind of lock. You need to pay. Just click on it to change the anchor. Below is the text. You can add whatever you want. After clicking, you can enter the content here. As long as there is color in it. What size? These positions can be adjusted. These can all be adjusted. This is this, and this is how to generate subtitles. You click this to create. It can directly generate subtitles from those commentary contents. After clicking, it directly generates a subtitle from this. These subtitle properties can be set. I can add any pictures I want. If you like any picture, you can add it directly. Click to add it here. If you want to use this as a background, you can also click on it directly. Click this to set as background. What elements are in this shot? It's inconvenient for you to operate. You can click here to view. Click here to see what elements are currently used in this shot. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to use any of them. You can click delete directly. Delete. Then you can change the background. You can choose any color you like. Change the solid color background. Just click to change. You can upload. There is also an option to select its default background. The video background has a picture background. You can directly click to change whichever one you like. Here is the video. If you want to add video material, click directly to click directly. Video material will be added. You can drag the position as you like. You can upload your own. Video material can be recorded. Below the video material is the audio. You can set a background music. There is music here that you can set at will. You can upload your own audio. You can also record directly. Below this is adding graphic elements. If you like anything, you can just click in and add it. Set the animation of this shot here. You can set it to slide in from the left or upward. The entrance animation of this shot is to enter to the right and downward. There is another one inside. You click this button. You can use PPT words, then rewrite its content. You can also click this button to record if you want. Have to generate your own audio? Click to record or upload your audio. This is the audio commentary for the video that was uploaded. After everything is set up. Well, right. There is also a horizontal and vertical screen here. If you screen vertically, it is best for you to choose a portrait template among the templates. If you want to use vertical screen, choose a vertical screen template. For horizontal screen template, you choose vertical screen. It will be cropped. When we select the horizontal screen here, we can also select the speaker. It supports multiple languages. If you want to use Chinese, you can choose Chinese. In Chinese, you should also change this place to Chinese. Enter content. After entering Chinese, select the Chinese speaker. If you want to listen to it, you can click this button to listen to it. After all this is set up, you can click this export button. Export videos directly. It shows the time here. Free account. 1 minute free time. You can just click this button to export. Then the produced video can be viewed in my project. Then you can just click. This is an automatically generated video based on a given topic. If you want to download, just click the download button. You can download it to a local free account. The generated video has a watermark. If you need a watermark, you need to open a paid subscription. It also has a function to turn a URL into a video with one click. Well, function. That is, after you copy the URLs one by one, click this. It will extract the content on your web page. Use the content on that web page to make this transcript to generate that video. If necessary, you can give it a try. It also has a function for making virtual humans. Let's take a look. Click to go to this page. Then click Create a Digital Person and enter your project name here. Select the witness model here. Here you can choose the language. You can choose whether it is in English or not. Is it Hanyus? There is also a Chinese feel. Is this in Chinese? Is this Chinese? I feel like Koreans. Then you can choose any spokesperson. There is a preview for designated areas. This is where you set up that chatbot. If the scenario you use is used and asks few questions, for example, within 5 questions, you can use this function to enter a welcome message here. There are 3 custom questions here. Enter your answer here. Then when the user enters a question, the virtual customer service will give the corresponding answer. He has preset 3 scenes here. One is the financial industry, airport. The retail industry has another function here. That is, if you are asked a lot of questions about your usage scenario, you can use this function to customize a robot. Click this button to create a bot. You can set up a lot of questions here. When users ask these questions, the virtual customer service will give corresponding answers. You click this place. Click this to create a robot. Just copy the robot ID here and save it. Then you can embed this virtual customer service into your website or mobile application. This can then be used to answer user questions. This is the answer from a real person. It can improve the user experience a little bit. It is a robot that links to a third party, IBM Google. It also allows you to create your own machine using the API link. If this requires a certain programming foundation, you have to be able to make it yourself. Use this to demonstrate. Enter your welcome message here. After you set the question here, then click this to save. Here is a virtual customer service that I generated for you. Here is the web page embed code. After you embed this code into your web page, you can use this virtual customer service on your website. Then I answered the question and demonstrated it to everyone. You embed it on your web page. I am a virtual customer service person. How can I help you? After you embed it into your web page, this virtual customer service will be displayed in the lower right corner of the page. Click on it to start chatting. You can type by voice. Click on this microphone. Voice input can be done directly. You click on it. Hello. When will it be shipped? I don't quite understand what you mean. Let's ask someone else again. Then by default, Bird Express will deliver it within 24 hours. This is your preset question. Then if you ask him, he will give you the corresponding answer. He reported it by voice. I don't quite understand what you mean. If you have preset questions, he will answer. The problem is that you haven't set it up before. He couldn't answer. You can click this link. Open this virtual customer service directly. Click to start redeeming this support voice input. You can too. Hello. I am a virtual customer service person. What can I report? You can directly click the voice input. You can also click here to enter text. By default, Bird Express will deliver the goods within 24 hours. This feature is still free now. If necessary, everyone can try it.